Hello dear students, and welcome once again to yet another informative video by Profound EduTech. We are pleased to present you a mock test series for TCS NQT preparation. But before going ahead to discuss the details, I would like to remind you to do subscribe to our channel, Profound EduTech's channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get our updates instantly. So dear students, as you are aware that TCS NQT is scheduled between 24th to 26th October, that is within next 5 to 6 days. And hope you have been attending our free TCS NQT preparatory course that we are offering on our YouTube channel daily live from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you have missed it, all the videos of the previous days, they are available on our YouTube channel, and you may view all the sessions right from 12th October till date. Okay, so since you need to prepare a lot for this kind of campus test, we are presenting you for your practice various mock tests which are based on topic wise as well as entire syllabus. So as far as topic wise tests are concerned, we are offering you 5 topic wise tests which are based on blood relations from the section of reasoning. The second is based on parajumbles from the section of verbal ability. From the numerical ability section, we are presenting you a test on percentage. From programming MCQs, and that too specifically from C programming, we are presenting you a practice test on topic of string. And from C++ section, oops, with C++ section, we are presenting you a test based on class and object topic. Okay, so we have tried our best to cover most of the sections, and we have included at least one topic from each section. So this was about topic wise tests, and these are the respective URLs where you can appear for those tests. And yes, as mentioned, we are offering you 3 mock tests, complete mock tests, which are based on entire syllabus. And the pattern of these mock tests is similar to the actual pattern. There are going to be 30 questions on reasoning, 26 questions on numerical ability, 24 questions on verbal ability, and 10 questions on your programming logic. So this is how the test is going to be on these sections, and the total duration of this test is of each test is 2 hours 15 minutes, that is 135 seconds, 135 minutes. So you may visit all these URLs, respective URLs, to attempt this particular test, mock test 1, mock test 2, and mock test 3. Yes, I know that it's difficult to note down these URLs on this video as you cannot copy them. So do not worry. All these URLs, all these details are available for your ready reference on our blog bit.ly/proedu, PROEDU. So please remember that this entire URL is case sensitive. You will have to type the last 6 alphabets PROEDU in uppercase. Clear? So do visit our blog on bit.ly/proedu, where you will get all the details of these practice test, topic wise practice tests, as well as the 3 mock tests of complete syllabus. Okay, so I'm sure that you will take complete advantage of these tests and prepare yourself for TCS NQT. And in order to get more updates about jobs, trainings, workshops, do visit our all the social handles. Keep in touch with our social handles. Facebook, we are available on our Facebook, and we have more than 51,000 likes there. We are also available on YouTube, and we have our YouTube channel. You can still subscribe to it. We are also available on our Telegram. And as far as the website is concerned, our website is profoundedutech.com. So do visit our website also. You will find a lot of interesting and useful things there. So thank you so much, students, and hope to see you once again with such yet another informative video. Thank you so much.